Meet with computer. You will learn. Student will be able to apply rules while working in the computer lab. Operate the computer carefully. Observe silence in the computer lab. Identify the parts of the computer.
Hi children, I'm Byte, your friend. We all are going to have fun. I'm going to show you a machine which you have already seen.
What?
Can you tell me what this machine is called?
Computer.
Great! So you all know that this is a computer. Let's learn more about computers.
More to know. Netbooks are the mini laptops which are as good as any other laptop. Its weight is only 1 or 2 kg.
You must observe some rules while using this computer.
Rules like?
Do not touch wires and switches, it may be risky for you. Do not press the keys very hard. Do not bring eatables or water bottle in the computer room. Sit straight on the chair. Let's learn something about the computer lab. When you enter the lab, keep it neat and clean. Do not shake or push the computer table. It is risky for the computer. Then how will we operate it? You will operate it by using only the safe parts like keyboard, mouse, etc. Let us know about a few good habits.
Good habits. Keep silence when you are in the computer lab. It will help you in listening to computer sounds.
Computer works with electricity. All these 4 things are different parts of a computer. These all together form a computer. System unit, keyboard, monitor, mouse.
Keywords: computer, electricity, operate,